Hello, this is Captain Bravuton, and I am doing this sort of like review, but it's about Wild Grinders, and it's like positive feedback, so I'm not sure if this is a review or not, so I'll just start anyways. Okay, so like, I watch Wild Grinders. A bunch of people say it's like really stupid, as in Johnny Test stupid, but like, I watch it. And like I want all the reviews are like low rated, so I'm just like trying to give it a positive review in here. Sorry if I stuttered, but like this is my first time reviewing something, but yeah. And as you all know, I watched Tenkai Knights, a show that is quite popular but with small fandom, and it's like really good, and like yeah. Oh gosh, I'm bad at this already. Okay, so this is like Lil Rob, and like I'm going to do a comparison with both of these shows. And here is Gurren Nash. He has a cat. I love that cat. Love that cat. Can I have your cat? Oh gosh, I can't take this review seriously.
If you ever have kittens and you keep dragging them away from their friends, don't expect them to be happy about it. Got it, Max?
Okay, so like, they both have this weird relationship with their parents. And Lil Rob like calls his dad Gene, and like, I would like to mention this scene in Tenkai Knights.
I know, but it can't be helped. They changed the deadline on my work schedule.
Yeah, just like the last time and the time before that. It's always your work. You promised me, Dad.
Also, both of their dads are architectures. Oh gosh, I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but I tried.
I'm sorry.
Poor cat. Okay, next is Goggles and Ceylon. Obviously, they both wear goggles. And I should probably mention they're pretty narcissistic. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but when they like act like prima donnas, they like go all out. Here is Goggles with his makeover, trying to be cool. They like to show off, so sometimes it could like get carried away.
Like I care. Oh, how the mighty have fallen.
Right, I
are.
remember this.
Whether they want to admit it or not. You still don't have to rub it in.
Oh gosh, he's like showing off how he prints. Ceylon, no, don't do that. Don't flip your hair. Also, I have to mention that like Ceylon is known to be the weakest because he like never shot the portal weapon, and like at the same time there's something about Goggles who is the weakest also, which I'll show you in the next clip after this.
Goggles is like a typical villain. He can't skate all that well, but he sure can't film an end.
Next is JJ and Cooky. Don't be racist about my decision to compare them, but like they sort of had like this common thing.
It's just an old wives' tale. And even if it isn't, I'll save you, Toxa, because I'm an expert swimmer. Thanks, homie.
JJ is a germophobic. It's so funny.
Why are you filming me?
But and also,
just one of those guys who's better at things. He rocks
yeah,
every single sport.
Cooky is like perfect at
The
everything.
teachers come to him for help with schoolwork.
But
He's one
JJ
student of the month more
is
times
sort of
than
like
crack
having
bad
that
jokes.
trait also.
So there's the hood kid, JJ. He's a germophobic and he's going to be a doctor one day.
They're just pretty much good role models in the future. And six-packs. Both of you are too young to have a six-pack. Gosh dang it.
Spitball, who is the hardcore big rail crazy Mexican
Yep,
punker
that's
skater.
Spitball. And next is Toxa.
Titan Thunder Fist.
Dial it back, Toxa. Let's hear Grurin's plan first.
I bash those bots into pixels. That's the plan.
They both scream a lot. Toxa screams louder in other episodes, but I just showed this.
This is the beginning. The beginning of the end.
Toxa, we made it up. We were just joking about brickification.
You made it up?
Yeah, we did.
Also, I have to mention that Spitball is like the youngest, and Toxa is also, but like, yeah, and Toxa is 1 year younger than everyone else on his team. Spitball is younger also, and also they're pretty much the shortest, so they have quite a lot in common together. It's just that Spitball is bilingual. Gosh, I think I pronounced that wrong, but I'll just continue.
This is bogus. How come I still haven't gotten an upgrade?
You're so short.
I do have a charming
Also some ninja skills. Ninja skills. Also, in Gnarly Craft, Spitball shouts Leroy Spitball, and it's pretty funny. I'll give you the link to the episode. Next up, you have that one character who is my spirit animal, but at the same time I don't like him, but pretty much it's me. Emo Chris. Ah yes, nature lover.
Least.
And then there's Gen Kurai. Well, Gen and Nukai. I don't know. They're both emo, obviously.
It's a heavy weight to carry, isn't it?
Emo Chris, he's emo.
I love that
Artist.
description of emo
Sweaters,
Chris.
Whines and cries about everything. He's very emotional.
Same.
That's it. A soulful
Woo,
emo
Benny.
look.
Sorry.
Yes. Can someone please tell me why?
Ah yes, dry sarcasm and
It's
humor.
adventure wear, man. Having fun, Gen? You know I am. Loving it.
Do I have to mention
Thanks, man.
that these
No problem.
themes have to look similar? Brofist. Okay, so at first they like seem a bit like dark at first, but like over time their characters develop and they turn out to be major dorks. Tree hugger.
Oh, cruel world, why does everything I defend turn on me?
Dorky Drones.
No good. Then let's kick some butt.
Now, next, you might be a bit surprised at my character choice, but I'll really explain them out later on as we go through. This is Jackknife. And if you watch Tenkai Knights, next is Benny.
Things will get simpler now that I'm in town.
Now, all of you may be thinking why I'm not comparing her to Flips. Flips, if you like watch Call of the Wild Grinders, she admits that she does not have any emotions, she's bad at it, and she hates princess dresses and shopping, so I just feel like Flips is just like the wrong kind of character to compare with Benny. Benny is like Jackknife. I will explain on.
Okay.
Great, I'll see you at the bottom. And watch out for lightning!
What lightning?
Okay, so like they're supposed to represent loyalty and heart. And yeah, pretty much it's unusual,
Something
but
in
it's
baby blue
actually
might work.
true. Okay, so as you can see in the updated Wild Grinder sites, Jackknife is based on heart and loyalty, but he's not smart. And while Benny is super smart, but here's the thing about Benny: she does not go to school, but she's really like smart. and like, yeah, I'm bad at this kind of review.
Well, maybe. Friends are the greatest power of all.
And that is where Benny shows her loyalty and she has an actual heart. Also, not to mention that there's an episode where it's called Heart Turns into Stone. Also, Jackknife has a prince that looks like him. He gets to be a prince for a day, and Benny gets to also, as in this episode.
Today you can be the Prince, Benny.
Also, I would like to mention that sometimes their heart and loyalty drags them into unusual situations. Jackknife has to like hang out with Stubford for like a whole day, and it's like I haven't watched that episode, but like I could tell it's alright bad. But like this is a clip from Heart Turns to Stone, and it's where Benny has to hang out with Kiro for a day, and like in that episode, Benny said she'd rather set her tongue on fire. That's a good line. That's a good line, Benny. Anyways, I'll let you watch to figure out how they represent loyalty and heart.
You're my friend. My best new friend.
Anyways, I have to also mention that they usually seem like the weakest, but they just have this... yeah, you saw the clip. They just like have this sort of strength that just makes them keep them going, which is why I like them. Jackknife is obviously a goldfish in this clip, but he's like being stubborn, and it's so funny. I laughed so much during the scene, and I like it. It's really good. Now in the next scene, if you've watched Tenkai Knights, Benny has not ever reached Titan mode, and all of us want her to reach Titan mode, but like right now she's like super small. Even though she is that kind of size, she will beat up anyone who's like bigger than her. As you could see in this clip, she will just like take it on. She will take on the challenge, and they're just that powerful. Anyways, this is the end of my sort of like reviewish thing. So like, I hope you enjoyed it. And I want Wild Grinders to become more popular, and I'll just talk about relationships in another video that will continue with this one. So bye.